Now I don't know why this train really burst like that. Maybe somebody was crossing the tracks, I don't know. We got a CN train heading west. Maybe there is somebody over there at the Pointe Claire station filming trains. That's interesting, maybe. So it's March 5th, 2022, and I got a CN train here underneath the St. John's. Well, I can't see it, but there's a VIA train also. Should have been up on the bridge. March 5th, 2022. And the CP train just came, so maybe the people over there would have seen two trains passing, or two trains racing. Here at Pointe Claire along Donegal Street on the CN, all these auto racks, probably empty. They're heading back west towards Toronto, where all the factories are. Oh, here comes an AMT train. Or EXO train, actually. And that's heading towards downtown. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.